I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take creatine with glucose. This simple method helps your body absorb creatine more effectively. When you consume glucose, it triggers an insulin response, which acts like a key, opening up your muscle cells to better receive creatine. This combination is a fantastic way to maximize the benefits of creatine, helping you achieve your fitness goals more efficiently. It's an easy adjustment that can make a big difference in your supplement routine. For an easy approach, mix about 5 grams of creatine monohydrate with 50 to 75 grams of a simple sugar like dextrose or grape juice. The best time to take this blend is right after your workout, when your muscles are most receptive to nutrient uptake. If you're not working out, you can also take it with a carbohydrate-rich meal to get a similar insulin response. Consistency is key for optimal results. The main benefit of this method is significantly improved creatine absorption, meaning more creatine reaches your muscles. This can lead to enhanced strength, power, and muscle growth. Remember to stay well hydrated throughout the day, especially when taking creatine, as it draws water into your muscles. Always listen to your body and consider speaking with a doctor or registered dietitian before adding new supplements to your regimen. To get the most out of your creatine and glucose regimen, consistency is paramount. Take it daily, even on rest days, to keep your muscle creatine stores saturated. Some people opt for a loading phase, taking 20 grams per day for 5 to 7 days, then dropping to a maintenance dose. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a simple way to enhance your fitness journey and your home environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.